I wanna be an overcomer, but it's hard to push on through. I wanna be a distance runner, but these lead shoes, oh, it's time to move. Oh Lord, will you remake me? Oh Lord, will you remember me? Oh Lord, will you reshape me? I need your dynamite power blowing up in me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I wanna be a truth purveyor, but I'm living in a lie zone. I wanna be a giant slayer, but I'm looking for 5 smooth stones. Hey, hey! Oh Lord, will you remake me? Oh Lord, will you remember me? Oh Lord, will you reshape me? I need your dynamite power blowing up in me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My Father, you have called and drawn me. Jesus, you have shed your blood for me. Oh Spirit, you have come upon me. I am a new man. I am a new man. Oh Lord, you have remade me. Oh Lord, you have remembered me. Oh Lord, you have reshaped me. I can do all things through your strength. Oh Lord, you have remade me. Oh Lord, you have remembered me. Oh Lord, you have reshaped me. I can do all things through your strength in me.